All right, we're back for another day, back testing every day until profitable. We went ahead and reset the data to hopefully fix any of those glitches that we were previously getting. Um, so hopefully we'll be able to replay our data efficiently now, not have to reset every once in a while, and we'll get a more accurate depiction of our data and analytics, right? So originally when I started off that first account, I was just, I was new to FX Replay. I was still I don't want to say trying to understand my strategy because I knew my strategy. I just wasn't executing efficiently. I didn't understand the importance of backtesting like it was the real market. Not taking trades on certain days, understanding market conditions and when not to trade. And I was just throwing up lobs, and that's just not what I want to be doing because that's not what I do in the live market. So hopefully we'll be able to get a more valid depiction of our data today. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Throw on some music. Alright, on the daily chart, we are inside of this daily fair value gap. Clearly bullish though. It does seem like we want to keep continuing on bullish to take out all-time highs. We already have taken out all-time highs on ES. Also delivering inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. Delivering off of this 4-hour fair value gap, and we're stuck inside of another 4-hour fair value gap. So kind of just volume imbalances all over the place. Let's see what we have on the hourly. On the hourly, we're still continuing to trend lower. To trend higher, sorry. We did have an unfilled hourly fair value gap, so if we are going to get to continue bullish, I'd like to see price come tap into this before getting a move up higher. And then if we are going to be bearish, these highs look like a great draw on these lows look like a great draw on liquidity. So yeah, we'll just have to see what the market gives us today. Moving on to the 15-minute. Again, I want to see price come into that hourly. We are already delivering out of a 15-minute though, so we'll see what ends up happening. Not a huge move since 6 a.m. Alright, let's just see what price wants to do off open. Like to see us come take out this low as well. See what type of shorts we can get. I do want to be long here, but we'll see what type of shorts we can get. Perfect. Delivery off that hourly at open. Right, we came down, tapped into this hourly fair value gap. Now let's see if we want to continue to displace higher. Come down, get a resweep. Still respecting the 50, the consequent encroachment. Could take this long, delivering from an hourly. We are trending up into an unfilled 5-minute though. Could just play this quick break even. I do like this though. We're delivering from the unfilled 15-minute as well. It looks like we do want to continue trending higher on the higher time frames. False move off open. 1-minute inversion. Just play this quick break even. this up to minor buy side. Looks like we're gonna be stopped out. I like this inversion off open. Not delivering from the 5-minute. Delivering from that 1 minute, from that 5-minute, I mean. Slight 1-minute inversion. So I guess I could have seen that we did just sweep out this high. And then we might want it to come lower and take out, come into the Sunfield's 15-minute. It's a good draw on liquidity. Delivery off this 5-minute. Still have this new week opening gap below. Delivering out of this 4-hour. Also inside of a 4-hour right now. Could look for longs out of this 4-hour. That could be my conditions. As far as what I see is the one on the 1-hour. This draw on liquidity looks promising. We're definitely in bearish price structure. We are delivering off this 4-hour. We did just inverse, or no, we're still respecting this 15-minute. Unfilled 15-minute below. I'd like to see price come into that off open. Off open we rip. Sleep out this high inside of this 15-minute. Could look for shorts out of this. Still delivering out of this hourly. Swept out this high. Unfilled 5-minute. I do like not going against this trend. RR is not great. Yeah, I mean, I shouldn't be going against the trends. Just play this a little bit more patiently. We're starting to trend bullish. I like this high inside of this 4 hour. Kind of just range bound. Obviously we do have this low inside this 4 hour right here. We are SMT'd at this high. We gotta sweep these relative equal lows off open. Come up. Tap into this unfilled 15 minute. We deliver into the 5. Immediately dump. Swept out this low. Still delivering inside of this hourly. Yeah, I don't know about all this. 160 point dump off open. Kind of crazy. I mean, what do we have? Is this FOMC? PMI? Should just immediately displace. Yeah. No reason for us to come up higher there. That's where the stops were put where they were. On the daily, clearly trending lower. We just opened up before our daily fair value gap. Unfilled 4 hour above as well. This is data lows. Kind of just range bound, to be honest. Did just get inverse of that 15-minute. We do have an unfilled 15-minute that we just tapped into as well. I'd like to see this unfilled 5-minute get tapped into before we go lower. Come tap into this unfilled 15. Change in state of delivery. Could just continue pushing lower. Tap back into this 5-minute. S&T'd at that high. Deliver into this 15-minute up here. Why am I on? Nah. We're going lower. Still delivering off of this daily for value gap. I'd like to take shorts. Delivering out of this 4-hour right here. We inverse this hourly to the downside. Delivering out of this 5-minute right here. Shorts do look good off open. This could have been enough to start a move down. On field 15-minute below. Now we just kept reacting off of this for what you got. So what did this false move off open last until? Till about 10 a.m. was our big move up. How could I have known that we were gonna pump off open? I mean, I could have seen that we were delivering from this 15-minute. I could have seen that the hourly was range bound with that clear liquidity above, but there was also clear liquidity to the downside. I mean, this distribution off open looks good. We look like we're trending bullish. Still leaving this new week opening gap behind. Looks like we want to come for these highs up here. We are still trading inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. I actually like this high compared to this other high. Still inside of this hourly. Respecting the hourly. We have an unfilled 15-minute below. Yeah, see, it's just delivering lower off open. Now we delivered into this unfilled 15-minute. We get this inverse. Break even at this internal high. It's kind of just hard to fade this displacement. This is an unfilled 15-minute. I mean, I'm just struggling. I don't have too many conditions on the day. Swept previous day high. Not really doing too much. We're still reacting inside of this daily fair value gap. Do have an unfilled hourly above. We also have these lows. Prices delivering from this 15-minute. Look like we want to go higher. Delivering out of this 5-minute. Honestly, if we get a manipulation off open, see, we might want to come lower, take out this low. You get the inversion off open. I mean, this 1 minute off open should play out. Not really much reason for us to come lower. Alright. I need to relax. My model is just completely failing. I don't know if I'm not using my conditions right, if I'm not reacting off the higher time frame correctly. There's nothing that we're bouncing off of. The only thing that's happening is that we are delivering out of a 15-minute fair value gap. We're delivering out of a 5-minute fair value gap off open. We get a 1-minute inversion off open. We have a clear target above. Like, what is this goddamn price action? Holy hell. I guess I could have seen we were SMT'd. Alright, so what if I went I mean, I'm going to take the break even still, but I mean, that would have played out. I'm just not understanding why price wants to do what it's doing. We're still delivering inside this 4-hour. Still left this swing low. We have an unfilled hourly. We did just take out these highs. Unfilled 15-minute. Watch out for this low. We do inverse this 1-minute gap. Delivering out of this 15-minute fair value gap. Delivery off this 5-minute. Just choppy price action. We just inverse this 4-hour fair value gap. I like us pushing higher. Could get a retracement. But I do like us pushing higher to this draw on liquidity. Delivering off this hourly. Delivering out of this 5-minute. Inside of this hourly fair value gap. entry. Alright, I need to reevaluate myself here. We're restarting. I just have to relax. I just don't understand. I can't even predict where the market's gonna go. I can't even predict where the market's gonna go. And I'd like to take long since we just swept this daily fair value. Yeah, we are inside of this 4 hour though. So have all these unfilled hourly belows. Delivering out of this 1 hour. I mean, this just does not look like good conditions. We're trapped inside this range. This isn't even New York. I like to see us manipulate down. I mean, we have all this trendline liquidity below. See if we can get a tap into this 5 minute. This is not fucking New York. Alright, we're delivering at all these lows. Just inverse this hourly gap to the upside. We do have an hourly gap up here. Let's look for some sort of retracement to EQ the range. Right? It's kind of what I'm looking for right here. False move off, open up. Into this unfilled hourly. Or this unfilled 4 hour. Try to sweep all these highs. Looks like we want to continue trading higher through all these unfilled hourly gaps. Have a 5 minute unfilled below. delivering out of this 1 hour. Right now we're delivering into this 15-minute. Dude, these pushes off open are driving me crazy. We delivered out of this 5-minute. You get a 30-second inversion. I don't know why I just struggle so much sometimes on backtesting. The live markets feel so much easier sometimes. Just knowing where price wants to go, knowing what level I want to see it go to. Alright, I'm just struggling. If we inverse this 4 hour, we look bearish. We've been slowly trending upwards. We are delivering out of this 15-minute. We do have have an unfilled 15 minute above. You immediately wake up into the unfilled 15 minute. Probably use this as delivery to take us lower. There we go. Accumulated. Now we're manipulating. Take out this low inside this 15 minute. Still have more lows. It looks like we want to pull back to. Get this 1 minute inversion after sweeping out this low. Yes, already took it. So we are S&T'd. We deliver back into this 1 hour. Get a CISD off of it. So you could have taken this inversion. We're S&T'd at the low, and we get an inversion. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off for the day. I'm just not feeling it, and this is not doing anything good for my psychology and tracking my system right now. So today was not good. Today was not a good day at all. Um, happens though. Happens though. So um, I will be back tomorrow morning during the live markets. Yeah, hopefully we get back on backtesting tomorrow and it'll be a much better day. I can think a little bit clearer, but today is just not ideal for me. So I'll be back tomorrow.